Alright, hello everyone. I've decided to go check a waterfall. Well, look for a waterfall. I don't know if it's accessible or not, but it's a place that I go and shoot. Alright, so I don't know where this trail leads, but I'm just gonna go on it and see where I end up. Not the best idea to go hiking in motorcycle gear. Ooh, that's a big drop. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it a quits because I rode alone and I'm alone. So I don't want something to happen to me and I'm stuck. So close, but yet so far. I chickened out. But I'll send the drone.
We're right where we belong.
Alright, so my top case is a I can fit helmet, gloves, and a sleeping bag. You know they say that if you ride with the visor down, you're a newbie. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll be a newbie and not get smacked in the face by gigantic bees because I've had that and I'm not doing it again in France. So I always ride with the visor down just to be safe, because those things, man, it's like bloody rocks hitting your helmet.